Before attending a job fair, visiting a business to request an application, going to an interview, and each day you go to work, the way you present yourself leaves an impression on others. In this presentation, we will cover what to wear, your appearance, and nonverbal communication to leave a positive impression with employers. Your appearance and clothing in professional situations lets employers know that you are serious about employment. Depending on the type of job you are interested in, when attending a job fair or interview, business attire should be worn. A good rule of thumb is to dress more professional than you may dress on the job. For example, if the position is in retail, childcare, recreation, or outdoor services, then business casual may be appropriate. If the position is in an office setting, business professional may be more appropriate. Once you have the job, ask your supervisor about the dress code before you start. Some businesses require uniforms, some business casual, while others have a more casual workplace. Keep in mind, even a casual dress code at work may still be a little nicer than your typical casual clothing. In addition to what you wear, you should also be mindful of your appearance when meeting with employers and in the workplace. You'll want to shower, use deodorant, brush your hair and your teeth, shave and groom your facial hair, keep your nails clean, wear clean clothes, and if you're wearing makeup, keep it minimal and subtle. When meeting an employer for the first time, or if you're in the workplace, depending on your job, there are some things that should be avoided. Bare legs, short skirts, ripped or baggy pants, hats, flip-flops, tight-fitted clothing, clothes with holes or stains, heavy makeup, and too many accessories should be avoided. In addition to your clothing and appearance, how you present yourself to employers matters. Be aware of your nonverbal communication. Greet people with eye contact and a smile. Maintain good posture and a healthy distance from others. Don't stand too close. It is important that you're prepared when you meet with an employer. Bring copies of your resume to job fairs and interviews. Use a portfolio or simple folder to keep the paper neat, and bring a pen and paper for notes. If you are carrying a purse or bag, make sure it's clean and neat. Before a job fair, check the event's website for information on the employers attending so that you can plan for the employers to visit. Before an interview, check out the company's website to learn more about what they do. Finally, if you'd like to get additional assistance, please contact a Fairfax Workforce Center to receive free resume assistance, interview preparation, and career exploration and guidance. You are able to make an appointment by phone or by going online.